Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today I'm excited to share a spring glam living room tour. I hope you enjoy. Guys, we've just gone into the fall season here in Australia. However, I had a lot of requests about spring decorating, so I thought I'd share my living room with you as it currently is before I change things up for the fall season. My favourite colour when decorating for spring would definitely be the colour turquoise, but I also love to combine the colours of blush pink with trims of gold and my Glam decor. I think these tie in so beautifully together. When decorating your home for spring, it doesn't have to be expensive. I look for the discount stores. They have the most beautiful array of spring decor, and as per season, they bring in such lovely items, and they're all realistically priced. Most items from a discount store are under the price of $20, which I think is very, very affordable when it comes to decorating your home. Also try to look out for thrifted items. Shop your home or check out your local thrift stores. Giving it a brand new lease of life with a pop of colour can bring in that spring decorating idea that you have in mind. My style of decorating is definitely very glam, and sometimes glam decor can be very expensive. However, I like to shop my home or look for ideas where I can create a look that looks expensive but didn't cost me that much. For example, this old chair. I was originally going to get rid of it, but I found this leopard print chair cover on eBay, and it was just $20 with free shipping. When decorating your home for the spring season, nothing is more beautiful than the look of fake flowers. As you're aware, I love a good DIY flower arrangement, but TK Maxx here in Australia also have the most amazing array of fake flowers at the moment. They're all at affordable prices, and I know for my overseas friends, TJ Maxx and Home Goods have very similar items. I think the colour turquoise is such a cool and tranquil colour for spring. Here I took my old dresser and I gave it a makeover with some turquoise paint. I love combining this colour with the rustic pieces as well. I love that this colour can work perfectly with any style of decor, whether it be farmhouse, modern, rustic glam or glam by itself. Turquoise definitely has a place in my heart. Guys, when decorating your home, always look for budget ideas. For example, I always try to find things that are on sale or on clearance. This helps so much when decorating your home. For example, guys, my fur bean bags. These were originally from Spotlight and they were originally $99. I refused to pay that for a bean bag, but one day I walked in and they were having a clearance and marked down to just $19.99. I also encourage you to change out your cushions. Guys, you don't necessarily have to buy new ones. You might have a little collection, just like me, and swap them out and change them round and style them differently. This brings on a whole new look per season. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope I've inspired you to decorate your homes for the spring season. Always remember, guys, that you can decorate definitely on a budget. And if you can't buy it, just DIY it. I'm currently working on lots more videos for you guys. I have DIYs, I have collaborations, and lots of home decorating ideas for you. And they'll be up over the next coming weeks. So until next time, my friends, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.